thought that'd be a cool little way to start the video, but then I realized, what's my end game? Like, what's the end game here? But what's up, y'all? So for today's video, we're going to be installing my Vintage Auto Works custom-made splitter, son. This is a wind splitter, and not just the, you know, basic chin lip splitter that you would get from other companies, which isn't bad, of course, but this one right here is like more functional use, because if you don't know, I'm not just putting on all this aero to look cool or whatever, even though I do want to look cool, but it actually serves some function because I do plan on tracking my car this year to get a feel for it and see if it's something I'm really into, and if I'm not into it, then I'm just gonna have a sick looking race car. So that's good with me. It's all good to me. So first things first, we're gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna talk more about how I got the splitter, what the splitter consists of, and all the cool jazz that comes with aero parts. I don't know what happened, my camera died, but here is the splitter, boys. Check this bad boy out. This is a custom made splitter to fit this lip exactly. Now if you go to their website, which I'll leave a link down below, they have different lip options. They have the spoon, Mugen, or the actual Type R lip. Now this is a Type R replica lip. As I was speaking with the owner of Vintage Auto Works, he actually custom made the splitter to fit that, and I find that pretty dope of a company to do that. Actually, like, that's pretty sick. So this is a CNC machined aluminum custom front splitter for Christina. Fun fact, Vintage Auto Works was formerly known by Z Splitters. So if you ever purchased the item from a company called Z Splitters, they're now called Vintage Auto Works. Hopefully I'm able to install this today. Now the reason why I say hopefully is because, well, Randy's not here. Randy's at a family function right now, so you know I ain't gonna bother my boy. So I'm gonna try to do this myself. I'm kind of scared, but so first things first, into installing your front splitter, remove your bumper. All right, so we got the front bumper off now. The next step would be actually fully unboxing the splitter out of the bubble wrap and then putting the bumper on the table. If you have a table or a chair, it don't matter what you have. I'm using a table because it'd be much easier for my application of use.
Years later.
Yep, I use the SpongeBob time card. I'm becoming like everybody else now. It literally took me like freaking 6 minutes. Now I wouldn't say 6 minutes. I'd say about like 4 minutes, maybe 8.5 minutes to cut some bubble wrap off the splitter. So here's the splitter exposed. I think I chose matte black instead of the gloss black. I can't remember, but you have a color option and it's free of charge if you want gloss black splitter or matte black. I think I got matte black to match the diffuser. But yeah, so here's the... Oh snap, I got more stuff. Oh lit. Oh, they got a, oh yeah, son. So this is the front. Oh yeah, I got a t-shirt. I got, hold on, let me show you guys. This is all that came with my package when I ordered my splitter from them. I got hardware. They usually don't include hardware, but they hooked you up with the hardware. The support rods are free. So when you do order a splitter from them, you will have the option to receive free support rods. And remember how I said I had like the matte black? Well, I lied. This is gloss black. I thought the back side of this was the front end of the splitter, but this is the front end. And they also hooked me up with a cool t-shirt. So that is awesome. Thank you, Vintage Auto Works. If you guys are interested in any of their products, they customize on a lot of things other than just Hondas. Like Honda's not even like their main platform. They have everything, like Subarus, Evo, all the real track style cars, son. But yeah, check them out, link down below, and let's give this thing a shot. Now as you guys can see, this splitter did not come with any preset holes because this is a custom splitter, like I said before. Enough for me jib jabbing, let's get to installing this bad boy, son. Well, hopefully. Randy, if I mess up, it's all your fault. I don't know why, but this is so difficult, bro. I can't do it. I don't know why, but I was talking to my man Jesse, which is the owner of Vintage Auto Works, and he told me to put the gloss out on the back, mount it up to see exactly how it should look, and it should look something like this, all said and done. But I'm having a problem now to where, like, I need another set of hands so I can make sure this is aligned properly. I can't really do it by myself. Every time I move this side, that side moves, so I just need another set of hands, but everyone's busy. So yeah, it's about like 4:40. The sun gonna be going down like in an hour and a half, and if I don't have the splitter on by that time, I want everyone to unsubscribe. Like, just unsubscribe, bro, because how hard is it to put on the splitter? Like, I know it's not hard. All I have to do is just basically turn it upside down and drill, but I can't do stuff like this. Like, this is not my strong suit. Putting an engine back together, I can do that. This, I can't do. I don't know why. I just can't do it.
Wow. Wow. Just wow.
Wow, I cannot believe you, bro. You can't even install a splitter? A simple splitter? You can't paint a valve cover, you can't drop. What are you good at? Huh? I'm talking to you. What are you good at? Nothing. You are useless as they come. Oh my God, how do you have a following? People watch this? Jesus Christ. Oh my God, you gotta call for reinforcements. What's wrong with you, yo? Trash. Straight trash. Randy, what's up, bro? What's going on, player? So now, before it gets too dark, we're gonna start the install process of getting this thing. Probably got like 10 minutes left to do this. But let's get to it. I ain't gonna talk too much so I don't waste time. So we're just gonna put on the camera and just film stuff we do. All right, quick little update. It is dark outside, but Randy came through for your boy. We got one done there. We got the self-tapping screws there. One over there on each end to make sure it's lined up properly. Then we got the bolt there and a bolt there with a crush washer, and another washer, the nut. And that's it. So that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna just do a couple more up top, probably one more up top, and I'll give you guys another quick update once we make more progress. But it looks good so far though. That's cool. Check us out. So this is it, all on. Ooh. Yeah, it looks pretty good, boy. You did a great job, dog. Make sure I follow Ranlow at Ranlow. Now we're gonna install the rods, and the rods are right. Damn, man, what happened to my rods? Right. So we got the first hole for the support rod, and I'm doing mine at an angle because these are pretty long actually, but I kind of like it at an angle. It looks more aggressive in my opinion. It's gonna look something like this. It's gonna go in like that, and then so it's gonna look something like that on both sides. Yo, this is going. My car is slowly transforming, boy. Boy, finna have a clean build. I'm obviously gonna film more tomorrow, so you guys get better daylight. But right now, bro, that is in. That looks so good, bro. That looks beast. All right, so let me help Randy with this. Voila! With the help of blown sedan. Somehow we got it to work. Randy didn't do nothing. I did everything. I just shapeshifted into Randy's body. Randy got some nasty ass farts too, bro. I think farts stink. He farted Justin. That shit smell like slavery, bro. That's it, bro. That looks mean, son. Well, Randy's out, Justin's out, and the splitter is on, but I'm gonna show you guys more of it tomorrow and exactly how we did it. I got to nighttime. I wanted to make this professional. This guy. But yeah, I'll show you guys tomorrow of it in light and take some product shots of it and stuff like that. I've been doing a lot of product shots lately, but so far it looks amazing, bro. It looks amazing. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day, and man, it just looks so much good. The splitter looks so good, son. I got a late start to filming today. Had to run some errands for my mom, but bro, oh, just look at it, bro. Cueing Ric Flair's music right about now. Woo! Look at that. Look how aggressive. Oh, look how aggressive that is. Wowzers. That looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that, boy. Shout out to my dog Randy for coming by yesterday. Man, I can't wait till this car gets painted. Just oh my God. Look at that, bro. Just admire the beauty. Look at those headlights. Got the new head. Oh, hoo, hoo. The aero is completed. Splitter, PCI side skirts, Type 1 diffuser, and my Mugen Gen 1 spoiler. Oh, you can't even see it, but right there is where my Mugen Gen 1 spoiler. Well, you can't see it, but yeah, you really can't see it, but it's over there in that corner, just hiding. But that's it, y'all. That is it. What do you guys think? It looks dope? I think it looks amazing, man. Shout out to my dog Randy for coming by yesterday. I can't believe, bro, I couldn't put on a splitter by myself. I can't believe it. And shout out to the owner of Vince's Auto Works, Jesse, bro. Appreciate you so much. Like, the customer service was amazing. Like, I messaged a guy. He gave me his contact information. He was like literally walking me step by step on how to install the lip. I need splitter with detailed instructions, and I still couldn't do it, man. I felt so useless, but shout out to my man Randy for coming by and helping me get this thing on. But have you guys noticed that each video Christina's looking better and better? Wow, That's awesome. I'm on a streak right now, baby. I'm on a streak. T-minus 10 days until Christina goes in for paint. Let's just look at it one more time. Oh man, I wish the lip was painted right now so it could really highlight the splitter since it's all black and stuff. But man, that looks amazing. I wish I didn't crash over here because then I have a clean front end picture to send to him for the product shot. But I don't know where I'm gonna take the product shots of it. Probably go in the middle of the road and post up or whatever. But that's it, boys. I hope you guys like it, man. I'm heading to this abandoned gas station to take some product shots / a little video to showcase the full aero I have on the car right now. So before I get pulled over for vlogging and driving, I'll see you guys at the location. So this is the spot. It used to be at Texaco. Only way I know that is because of the sign right there. But this is Christina's son with all her aero on and crusty bumper. But yeah, this is it, son. So now I'm gonna set up the tripod and get some shots of it. But yo, that front splitter looks so damn good. Jeez, this is, oh, I can't believe this is my car. I can't wait to paint this damn thing. It's gonna look sick. If you noticed or not, but most of my shots are only just like using the tripod and just getting the little side shots or whatever. Sorry, first and foremost, I will be investing into a handheld stabilizer so I can like do videos like this that make it look dope. I think that's pretty much all the shots I can get without making it too basic like all the other ones, but it's a pretty cool shot. The car looks great. But now I'm gonna get up out of here because my mom called me and she got some great news, so I'm gonna head on home. Just getting back home. I got a package from JHP. I think it's for my man Chris, man. My homie Chris. Guy won one of the giveaways, right? And I guess he used my address and he sent me something. So I have no idea what's in here. Chris, if you're watching, I know you are. Hey, bro, I appreciate you. Let's see what this is, man. I'm stoked. Grams? Yo, what is this? What is this? Grams, that's... Oh, it's a fuel pressure gauge. Oh, that's lit. Oh, I got an eBay one on my car right now. Yo, this is lit. Yo, this is so dope. Yo, Chris, man, I appreciate this, bro. You didn't have to do this, man. That's so awesome. Yeah, I want to give away like the first giveaway me and JB did of the clutch lines. And I guess he kept my address and then he sent me this. He DM'd me, said you got a package coming your way. I'm like, what? Was not expecting this. Yo, Chris, shout out to you, bro. I appreciate this a lot, man. Yo, thank you, bro. I appreciate all y'all that watch the videos and just show support. Like, that's man, I don't know what to say. Chris, bro, thank you so much, man. What a blessing, bro. Yo, so you just reached the end of the video, and shout out to my mom, bro. Mom got your boy 120 count of some meat sticks, son. That ain't sound a little too right. But shout out to my mom. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you can, smack that like button for me one time for the one time. Quick little update before I get on to closing this video. I got new That Boy Fast sticker and new That Boy Clean sticker. I got the new font for them. I hope you guys like it. I revamped it up to make it look better because I like the old font too much. So those are up on the website. Marauder slops are still available. Key tags are still available. Banners are still available. Go on over to ZoshMFG.com and pick up a sticker today so I can eat because your boy been losing too much weight. So I look like a huge thank you to Vintage Auto Works for making this video possible by hooking your boy up with a clean, custom-made splitter, son. Now, when I mean hook up, I don't mean they gave it to me for free. Obviously, when I mean hook up, they just gave me a good deal on it. So, I had to clarify that because people think I'm getting all this cool stuff for free, which I'm not. Trust me, me and my wallets are not getting this for free. I'm just getting a cool little discount, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? A huge shout out to Vintage Auto Works for making this video possible. They are a Canadian-based aero company, one of the biggest and best in Canada. In Canada, son. I know it's Canada, but saying Canada sounds kind of cool. Like, what if it was called Canada? Yeah, I'm from Canada. Pull up. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you. And if any of you guys out there are interested in getting your own custom splitter or side skirt splitters or damn near rear diffusers, check them out, man. VintageAutoWorks.com, link down below. And remember, they are based from Canada, okay? So shipping is gonna be a little expensive. It's gonna be a little bit expensive, but getting quality products can't beat it, son. And they got great prices, so check them out. But that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you can, please leave a like on the video. I think I already said that, right? I don't know. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.